lesson. This is very exciting. Don't worry about that. You're going to do absolutely fantastic.
Neve, can we finish your sandwich before you take a seat, please?
Yeah. So bad.
Today we're going to be doing an investigation on probability. In a minute, I'd like you to all pick a vote from 1 to 13. We're going to then roll 2 dice, and we're going to add up those 2 numbers on the dice. If the sum of those dice is your number, you get to cross the river. When we're ready, class, take a seat.
I'm 1.
Oh, no! Tom, please up please, the last one's ready. So, I'm going to roll 2 dice. Tom, I'm going to add up the numbers on those 2 dice. If that's the number that's on your boat, you get to cross the river. So if I roll the dice 13 times, who thinks they're going to make it across the river? Jezebel?
Obviously.
Who thinks that Jezebel is going to... Michael? Michael, shh. Mama, thank you. Michael.
What bird is really good at maths?
Tell us, Michael.
An algebra.
So, thank you very much. Back to the task on hand. So here we go. Rolling the first dice. We've rolled 4 and 2.
Oh,
So, let's take a seat. 4 and 2. 4 and 2 add up to 6. Lovely. Take a seat. So, James gets to cross the river. No. Take a seat, please, James. We're going to cross the river in our boat. Lovely. Off you come.
How boring.
Okay. What do we think so far? So we've got a few people that's crossed the river. Who thinks that they're likely to cross the river next? Who thinks they've got a high chance of crossing the river?
Yeah, I'm next.
Jessica?
If we swim across.
No, nobody's swimming. Nobody's swimming.
No, you need to sail a boat, not swim across.
Thank you. Let's roll the dice for the 4th time.
Maybe that's what you do in Ireland.
We've rolled 2. Thank you, Neve. Jezebel, one more time when you'll be outside. Can you put that away?
But what way? Everything.
Jezebel.
And everything.
Can I have it?
Jezebel.
Missy's allowed
Okay. So we rolled 2 ones. 2 ones.
Oh, yeah!
2 ones. Fantastic, Tom.
Way!
Not you, Tom. Other Tom. Lovely. So, what's going on? What's happening? So, we've rolled the dice 13 times, and we've got from 2 to 9 have come forward. But we've still got Jezebel with boat number 1, and then we've got Brian. What boat are you? Lovely. 10. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13. We've got from 2 all the way up to 9 have come forward. They've managed to cross the river successfully because 2 numbers of the dice added up to their number. Why have we got a few people that haven't crossed? Now that we've finished our starter activity, I'd like us in a minute to get our books out because this is our introduction to probability. So, title is going on the board. Class dismissed. Oh, so how did you think it went?
Well, Emily, I think for your first lesson that was really fantastic.
Thank you.
Well done. So I've seen the lesson plan that you sent me last night at 2 o'clock, and I can see that you've got through everything in your starter really, really well.
Thank you.
So I've written you some observation feedback, and I noticed that you did this especially well.
Great.
Yes,
Hand
and
gestures.
yes, and for the even better if, there are just 3 things that I'd like you to consider. So this isn't criticism at all. It's just to help you in your development, for you to think about in the future. I'm going to make a brilliant teacher.
Eventually.